In America, clothes are very important. And when she came here, and even when she lived here, she wore clothes, and that was it. She didn't wear fashions. She didn't know what fashion was. She wasn't interested in fashion. So it was alien to me. It took a while for me to get used to her. She would wear a dress or a skirt or a top, but it had no shape. She bought whatever she saw. She really didn't care about it. She always had a Papirosn in her hand. Always. And she smoked a great deal. My mother tried to convince her not to, but nobody could convince her.